Welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Just a quick tip here today to make sure that you do not still have the adaptive menus turned on. Back somewhere around Excel 2000 or Excel 2002, Microsoft said, our menu structure is far too confusing. People can never find anything. And so in an effort to simplify it, we're going to randomly hide about 2/3 of the menu items, which was really an insane thing to do. How can you ever try and learn Excel if you can't see all of the menu items? If you go to a menu item such as Tools and don't see the entire list, if you see this double drop-down arrow at the bottom, then you have adaptive menus turned on. It's very annoying. As you go to each menu, you only see 4 or 5 things, and they're the 4 or 5 things that you may have selected previously, but not the 4 or 5 things that are actually useful to you. I think it's better to see the whole menu all the time. So to correct that, we want to go not to Tools Options, but to Tools Customize. Tools Customize, and on the third tab, the Options tab, there's a couple of settings there that we want to turn on. The first one is always show full menus. Don't want to see the adaptive menus, we want to see the full menu all the time. The other one is show standard and formatting toolbars on 2 rows. I'm going to leave that unchecked for a second, and you'll see that here my standard toolbar is greatly shortened, and I have to click this button in order to see the rest of the icons. Now once I use an icon, it gets added to the standard toolbar. It's better just to go Tools, Customize, and say that we want to see both of those toolbars on 2 rows. That way you always see all of the icons. And again, now if I go to the Tools menu, I see the entire menu from the start. Rather than having to wait for the double drop down arrow, or worse yet, not even realizing the double drop down arrow is there and there's more stuff hidden, just turn off adaptive menus using Tools Customize. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.